Hello everyone.
Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about few programming websites where you can practice programming and learn coding. And today in this video also we are going to cover like what is a website you should follow, like what is a coding platform you should follow when you're a beginner, and what is the website you should follow when you're at kind of at intermediate level, and also which programming website you should follow when you want to crack product-based companies. Let's see each one of them in detail. First, we'll start with Code Chef. When you're new to programming, or let's say you're kind of learning programming languages or learning data structures, and when you're kind of a newbie or a beginner, then I would suggest to start with Code Chef. This is pretty good for beginners actually. And for example, here you can open the website, the codechef.com. This looks something like this. You can click on this practice, where there will be a lot of questions on practice. Here, if you see, all of them are categorized by based on the topics. If you see here, I have chosen sorting here. There are a lot of problems here where you can select the problem based on their difficulty levels, and there are like various different tags also available. You can go and try each one of them. So, like, how should you go? Like, let's say currently you are learning sorting. So, when you're learning sorting, instead of learning theory, also you should also practice some problems to get a clear understanding of that concept. So, whenever you're learning some topic, just come here and choose a topic, corresponding topic, and go and solve few problems until you are kind of comfortable with the topic. And once you're comfortable with the topic, try solving some harder problems in the topic, and slowly, like when you are slowly kind of move to the next topic, like that, try to complete all of them. And let's say once you're kind of comfortable in converting your idea to code, that is very much important. Let's say you're solving a problem, and you got idea, that means you know how to solve it, but you're struggling to convert that idea to code. That means you are still a beginner, because idea to code conversion should be easy. That will come easily with practice. The more you practice, the idea to code part will become much easier, and the later part where you will struggle with idea, so getting idea itself will become difficult. That is the tougher part, where data structures and algorithms and your problem solving skills will help you there. So slowly, once you're comfortable with the programming languages, and once you're comfortable with a few data structures and algorithms, and you're able to convert your once you got an idea, you're able to easily convert that idea to code, then slowly start moving towards code forces. That's a very good website, because here like the problems are pretty good, and the contests are also very frequent, and also the contest duration is also very small. If you see here, the length of the contest is just 2 hours, so that won't take much of our time, and we can give many contests easily. And also the better advantage of this code force website is the community is pretty large, and also um, after each contest, the editorial solution will be released as soon as the contest is done, so that would be much helpful. I would suggest someone who is kind of intermediate and kind of good at programming, and if they want to improve their problem solving skills and ace at competitive programming, then I would suggest them to go to code forces. That is much helpful actually. And let's say you are not that much into competitive programming, you just want to learn the basics and kind of stuff, then I would suggest you to go for hacker rank or Hackereth. These are kind of very good websites. Also, these are also like many people follow them. Here also everything is well structured and and everything is there. You can see here like one can start with problem solving basics or Python basics, and also here they are kind of categorized by the languages. Let's say you are currently learning C++, you can go and try all this stuff. So you can try Hacker Rank or Hackereth. Both of them are very good websites, and also there are like lot of competitions on Hacker Earth also. If you see all of them, these are like kind of hiring challenges. So let's say you are currently in final year, or like you are having few years of experience, you can go and register for them, and you can try out. Let's say if you're not into switching, like if you don't want to get a job also, then also you can try just for the sake of experience, so that you will know like where you are currently standing. So I think these are also very good websites, and I would suggest them these websites. If you're not that much into computer programming, then try HackerRank or HackerRank based on your choice. And let's say you have learned a programming language, and you are kind of quite comfortable with data structures, but you want to crack a product-based companies. But how to do that one? Like how to proceed for that? In that case, I would suggest to go for Interview Bit. This is a website which is well, pretty good website actually, because everything is well structured, and almost all the topics are covered here, and they have kind of they have handpicked very good problems, so that if you complete all these questions now, you will have a very good knowledge of all the topics. And also in each topic also, they'll kind of cover all the topics inside each topic also, so that would be much helpful. For example, if you see here time complexity arrays, everything is also well ordered also. And the important thing is like this interview with website is followed by almost all the people in IITs and IITs when they're in third year or fourth year of college for their placements. Almost it's kind of a must to do. So almost everyone, not everyone, but like most of them follows interview bit for while preparing for product-based companies. I myself also prepared. I have prepared from interview bit itself, and I was able to crack good product-based companies. So I would suggest like who are focusing for a product-based companies, instead of following that cheat sheet, this cheat sheet, don't go for them. I mean, if it's your wish, if you want to go for them, go for them. But if it was confusing, like you are kind of confused which one to follow, like where you will get good structuring and also everything is covered in detail, then I would suggest to go for Interrobit. This is kind of ultimate, very very good website where you can like in very short span of time, like within 3 4 months, you can cover all the questions. And also it would be uh, they'll cover all kind of questions, and this would be much helpful for cracking any good product based companies. Yeah, I think that's all I want to cover. I wanted to cover this video. uh, I think yeah, that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any suggestions for the future videos, please comment them. I will try to make them. And please like, share and subscribe to this video. And as well as, yeah, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Okay, bye.